Welcome everyone! Are you ready to take your PC to the next level? Meet the Gvidea eGPU HUB, the ultimate external GPU solution designed to supercharge your gaming and creative workflows. And that's not all. Stay tuned, because soon on this channel, we'll be testing the highly anticipated RTX 5080 OC to see how it performs in real-world gaming and productivity tasks. Subscribe now so you don't miss it. The Gvidea eGPU HUB unlocks incredible performance, giving your laptop or desktop the power of a high-end GPU without complicated upgrades. Whether you're into video editing, 3D rendering, or gaming, this device ensures seamless performance and high FPS. With plug-and-play connectivity, setting up your external GPU has never been easier. Just connect, set up, and you're ready to experience a massive boost in graphics performance. No bottlenecks, no limitations, just pure power. Designed for gamers, creators, and power users, the Gvidea eGPU HUB supports the latest GPUs, ensuring future-proof performance with ultra-fast bandwidth and smooth rendering. When it comes to gaming, the results are mind-blowing. Enjoy higher frame rates, ray tracing, and ultra settings in the latest AAA titles. No more lag, stuttering, or FPS drops. Just fluid, high-performance gameplay on any compatible system. Thinking of upgrading? The Gvidea eGPU HUB lets you push your system's limits without replacing your entire PC. Whether you're a content creator or a competitive gamer, this device ensures top-tier performance on demand. We'll be doing a full hands-on unboxing and in-depth review soon, testing real-world performance across gaming, streaming, and productivity. Don't miss out. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech insights, performance tests, and upcoming reviews. See you in the next one!